Let's see how to adjust line spacing in Canva. First, we open up our design. For example's sake, let's choose whiteboard. After opening up the design, we need to go to the left-hand side. We click the button that says text with a T logo. And here we can see there's a brand kit, default text styles, and font combinations. For this example, let's just use add a heading. There. So we can showcase how line spacing is affected. We need to have more than 2 lines of text. Let's say how to adjust line spacing. After clicking on the text box, we can see that there is now a toolbar on top. We need to look for the spacing button, and here we can see line spacing option with the slider. Currently, it's set to 1.4. Using the slider, if we slide this to the left, the line spacing decreases, and if we slide this to the right, the line spacing also increases. You can play with this however you want until you reach your desired line spacing. And that's it. That's how you adjust line spacing in Canva. See you soon!